This one, you are a chief.
No, just tell me.
This is the person who has supervised and brought goods to come and be chief.
Why?
Yes.
Stupid. Welcome down.
This is the person who brought the goods. I have been injured. I will sue you. You are the one.
How can you supervise a police?
Yes, he's the one who, yes, I want to record that. He's the one who came and identified me. He's the one who brought people to come and
mnataka kuleta commission hapa.
Hapana, ni kusema tunasema.
Kama mnataka tuseme.
Ishaletwa.
Wacha leta sawa. Tuondoke hapa katika police.
I'm a chief agent. I'm a chief agent.
What is the problem? Tell us where the problem is. So that no. Nani fanya hivi chief agent.
Ametoa wao.
Na amepikwa kwa